She is a KSO member. She has done outreach programs with the KSO. She's written a book, and she's now slumming with a bluegrass band. If your mama could see you now, girl. You're doing great. Here's your Grateful Dead song.
Trouble all my life, left me out in the cold, rain and snow, rain and snow. Oh, Lord, left me out in the cold, rain and snow. Thank you.